Hi, I'm Trent with Trenco Construction. We're out here at Oak Crest today, pouring another concrete pour. We've got a nice sized pour here. It's about 2.5 trucks with some broom finished basketball court with square pads and a stamped deck over here by the master bedroom. We're just getting ready to start there's a retaining wall that goes along in the back next week. We're probably a couple weeks from finishing this project, and we got synthetic turf out in the center, and it's going to be a nice, clean, modern-looking landscape project. And so I will give you another video here, maybe in 2 weeks, and then I will give you a little update on the progress and the finish. So thanks for staying tuned to Trenco Construction.